Baish Corniche is a scenic coastal promenade located in the Baish or Baish Governorate, which lies in the Jazan region of southwestern Saudi Arabia. This area is known for its natural beauty, quiet beaches, and relaxing sea views, making it a growing tourist attraction for both locals and visitors. Highlights of Baish Corniche: waterwave seaside views. Enjoy peaceful walks along the Red Sea with stunning views of the coastline. It's especially beautiful at sunrise and sunset. Palm tree family-friendly environment. The Corniche has areas for families to relax, picnic, and enjoy the sea breeze. Children's play zones and shaded areas are available. Man-walking, walking, and cycling paths. There are designated tracks for walking and biking, ideal for fitness lovers. Mosque nearby attractions. You can explore other parts of Jazan, such as the Farasan Islands, Al Darb Mountains, and Jazan Heritage Village, all within a few hours' drive. Fish, fresh seafood, and local culture. Local restaurants offer fresh seafood dishes, and you can experience the culture of the southern coast of Saudi Arabia. Best time to visit: from November to March, when the weather is cooler and more pleasant. Would you like a travel guide or details like hotels or restaurants near Baish Corniche?